When you're using a track machine from Bobcat, you expect superior traction, maximum stability, and strength. They give you the confidence to take on the toughest work at the most demanding job sites. But when it comes time to replace your loader or excavator tracks, not all brands are equal. Sure, you can put cheap knockoff tracks on your machine, but the only way to maximize your job site performance is with genuine Bobcat parts. Plus, they're backed by a Bobcat parts warranty you can trust to give you peace of mind. It's not easy finding that with knockoff brands. It all starts during the development process. Our engineering and sourcing teams work together to ensure that Bobcat tracks deliver maximum performance when paired with Bobcat machines, testing against rigid standards along the way. Consistency is key when manufacturing tracks for Bobcat machines. Stringent process and quality controls are followed in every step of the production process. Let's look at how the tracks for Bobcat machines are produced. It all begins with the most durable rubber compounds. This material is rolled and heated several times before it emerges as a narrow black strip of rubber, destined to become a Bobcat track. Quality checks are performed along every step of the process. The internal continuous cables and embeds are made of steel for ultimate performance and lifespan, even in demanding conditions. Once the rubber blanks and steel cables are joined together, the material is loaded into the forming machine. It takes 2 trips through the forming process before a completed track is finished. This particular track will have a multi-bar lug pattern destined for use on Bobcat compact track loaders. Once again, quality checks are vital to meet the quality and consistency standards established by Bobcat. These tracks are engineered for long life and tough environments, but their design also provides a smooth ride by distributing weight over a larger surface area without sacrificing your machine's capabilities. Bobcat Parts offers signature tread patterns, giving your machine excellent traction while moving through mud, over rocks, and across other surfaces. For you, that means you can pick the best track style for your work. Wide tracks are a good choice when lower ground pressure and flotation are desired. For increased ground pressure, added traction, and more push force, choose a narrow track. And for sensitive work sites, choose non-marking treads for your loader or excavator. When you demand Bobcat tracks, you will get the most performance out of your equipment with a wide variety of tracks engineered to give optimal performance for your equipment's undercarriage. Superior engineering and OEM quality control from start to finish. Only genuine Bobcat tracks deliver the performance your track machine was designed for. More importantly, they give you peace of mind with an industry-leading warranty backed by Bobcat. Are you willing to risk your job site productivity by using knockoff tracks? Buy online or visit your local dealer today and accept nothing less than genuine Bobcat tracks for your machine.